This is a short tutorial on how to add a new page to the Free State High School Support Wiki page. It's relatively simple, and we start by making sure we're on the right page. That's right up here. The URL is FSHS Support, S-U-P-P-O-R-T, and that's all one word with no spaces, and notice the two S's are back to back, .wikispaces.com. So once you're on that website, the next part you're going to need to do to create a new page is to sign in, and that will pop up here. And I'm going to sign in with the password that was given to me. You can choose to stay signed in, but in this case I would say no. And we're signed in here, and still looks the same, and we want to go to the editor. So right up here it says Show Wiki Controls over here on the right hand side. This little 3-box item, we click it and our controls are on, and you notice now we have some editing functions, and that this box popped open right here, which allows us to do some things. We're going to choose this plus, which allows us to add pages or files. And from here we can add Google Docs, we can upload some files, we can create a new template, but we want to create a new page. And for the Free State High School Support Wiki page, we have a format, and it starts by making sure you name the class. So I'm going to teach a class in Leadership Studies, and I am the teacher, so we put that next, and then in parentheses we put the hour, and so this is second hour. So it's the title of the class, space, hyphen, teacher's last name, space, and the hour in parentheses. And we're going to want to use the class template. And then here where we add tags, we're going to want to make sure we do 3 tags for sure. First is the hour of the class, and this class is in second hour, so you'll see when I typed second in there, this came up, and you can select that, and that will put it in the bunch of second hours. You can see over here we've got it grouped by hours. We also want to do the subject area, and this one happens to be social studies, so if I type social, you'll see, oh look, there it is. And then this class is actually going to be supported by our superintendent, Rick Dole. He's going to be our para. So when I type Rick, I'll notice that nothing comes up. So I just keep typing. There's nothing to join it to, and I just hit return. So always make sure you got the hour, the subject area, and the paraprofessional supporting it. And then I click create. And once I click create, it's going to start me in this text editor version. And I just need to mop up some of this. So this says enter the course name here, and the course name is Leadership Studies. And I'm just holding down the left-hand button and dragging my mouse across. The teacher name is Kelly. You should probably put the first name too. And you'll see it didn't turn green, and that's okay. You can just delete it, or you can go up here to this little color thing and the text color, like that, and apply. And so that will make it green again. Notice it's not bold, so I'm going to highlight again and click bold. You get the idea. Hour, it is second hour, I think is what it was. And I don't have a web page, so just for fun, if you click on, you go to the departments here on the Free State website, and I'm just going to pick a social studies teacher for this example. We'll grab Isaac's website. There's Isaac's website, and again I just click and hold and drag, and then I'm doing Control C, but you can also right click. You can also right click and copy, and then I'm going back to my wiki page. Again, highlighting. You can do Control plus V, or you can right click and go paste, and you'll see it's in there. I don't need to visit it or change it or remove it, so I just hit enter. And then paraprofessional name we said was Rick Dole. Once we got all the information we want and it's all set up and ready to go, we just click save, and we should have our page ready to go. In the next video we'll also show you how to edit the page so we can make the text just right.